Dink, 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 dink. Dink, 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 dink. Yes, yes, dink, dink, new beer. That one, right there. It's still the Christmas time. Dink, 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 Christmas. Dink, 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 Christmas. Da 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 da. Happy New Beer! Beer. That one. In fact, give me that. My beer. I'm trying something with the whatever AF means in this camera. I don't know. I found something that says AFM, which might be multiple point focus. I hope. Try this. Are you focused? Try this. Look. Is that still in focus? Let me see. Testing, testing. One of the ocean blue. La la la. Hey, I tell you what. Seems like it works. Maybe this will help with that focusing thing. I don't know. It usually does something weird when you try to do two different things at two different... Looks like it's working. Okay. Well, anyway. Let's see what I'm looking at here again. Always seems to be the same corner. Welcome back, everybody. I'm choking to death. Hang on. Gotta fix it. Welcome back, everybody. Another hands-on, exciting episode. I fucked that one up. Welcome back, everybody. Another exciting episode, hands-on with BLG. There we go. Haven't had enough beers in me yet. I'm BLG. I'm lefty, and I am righty. My eyeball has got hair in it or something. There we go. Okay, today we're going to do a copycat version of your basic Arby's mushroom and Swiss burger. Very simple. I did an episode before, but lost the burger part of things. Throw it away. We're going to try it again. This is easy, really easy. I got the charcoal all lit up and stuff. And see, there's a better picture of my light up here too. There's a light right here. Black. Okay, so anyway, I got the charcoal all lit up, doing its thing. So we're going to put you right here. I am going to grab this. What's this here sauce? This stuff. Yes, this is simple, 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 folks. Take a spoon. Any spoon. Cream of mushroom soup. Do not put the extra milk or water in it. Leave it condensed into a pan like so. That'll do her. I believe that'll do it. About what I'm going to get out of that one. Okay. Then you have the sliced mushrooms. See that? Sliced mushrooms. Goes in here with... And I strained the crap out of these till no more water came out. I want this as thick as possible. Okay, we'll get rid of the cans. The dingo will lose his mind. Dingo's losing his mind. He wants out, I guess. Walk, 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 walk. Don't run. Good boy. Out he goes. You turn this heat up here. I got it up to 8. We're just heating things, folks, and got a medium high, about 8. And we're going to stir all this together. Well, that sounds weird. Stir this all together like this. Like that. Get it all mixed in. And the dingo does not want out for some reason. He's acting weird. Now we're going to take our Weesties here, what's this here sauce. We're going to put it about... We'll put about a tablespoon of that right up in here with our mixture here. And we're going to stir it like so. Now it's pretty thick as it is. I'm going to turn the heat back down now. Actually, I'm going to go to medium. I'm taking it down to 6. Look, down to 6. I'm going to stir this around like this. And basically what you want to do is not leave a metal spoon over the fire. You haven't told me, but I remember now. Many a times. Oh, fuck, that spoon's hot. We'll do this. Set you over. Huh? And what you're going to do is basically heat through, get it nice and hot and warm, and it will reduce just a touch, believe it or not, and get a bit thicker, not much, but a bit thicker. And we'll see you back here when those coals are ready, and we put those burgers on those coals with the Swiss cheese and stuff, and we'll see you back when we're ready to do that. And that's going to be probably a half hour or so. And see, this is bubbling. Look. You can see it bubbling, can't you? Yeah, look, it's breathing, look. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. We're going to wet this bubble. What the fuck? I'm going to let this bubble down, get all nice and thick. But that's your sauce right there. That is your mushroom sauce. So we'll let that bubble. We'll see you back here in about 30 minutes. Okay? This will be a splice together, but a great test for the... Zoom over here. Zoom over there. What's that? What's this? What's that? Is there anything going on over here? I'm testing this whatever AFM thing is. It might work. I don't know. Oh well. See you in about 30. Okie dokie, folks. We're outside to grill. It's time to grill these burgers up. These are frozen, pre-made burgers. Throw them on the grill frozen. Trust me. Don't thaw them out first. Just throw them on the grill. I'm going to grill these up like that. Lorry's seasoning salt. Larry's. Give them a sprinkle each side. Sprinkle on each side here like that. Sprinkle on that side like that. It's like somebody's power washing or something. You know, that's what we do in winter down here, is we wash things because all the moss and algae and shit grows everywhere. Power wash your shit in December. Rained like a bitch yesterday. Gotta go check the motor home again. Yes. These will get a couple of minutes on this side. Like that. Might be mowing. You drink a beer. Let these go a couple of minutes. Couple of minutes. But a dog just came through the fence. The scruffy little dog that I don't think anybody owns anymore. They just left him here. People abandon their damn animals down here. Don't do that, people. That ain't cool. They move and they're just like, well, fuck it. Cut them free. Not cool. We got, for two of these, are going to be pretty old lady. We're going to have cheddar. That's going to be two of them. Two we're looking for is going to be, Lefty, if you'll do this upside down, Swiss, otherwise, aka thus the Hardees mushroom and Swiss burger. Yes, we're going to do 2 Swiss and 2 cheddar. Let's see if I can get 2 of these each separated. It's not easy sometimes. My back is killing me today and I don't know why. But it is. And that's the way it works. It makes me grouchy. Not really. It just makes me want to sit the fuck down. Sit the fuck down. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. The good old days of when I used to say that. Get on the ground. Now we're getting some flamage. That's what I'm talking about. Flame broiled, just like Hardees. I worked at Hardees for years. Probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Well, not years and years. I worked at Hardees for 3 years before I joined the Navy. If I didn't join the Navy, I'd probably still have been working for them. It was fun. It was a good time. Let's see what we're looking like here. They cook pretty quick. These little thin frozen ones, if you don't just pick up the grate, they cook pretty good. See, that's looking pretty decent. Flip them over. Put that little bad boy. This one's definitely ready to flip. There we go. You can flip this one back. He could use a minute or two more. Just, in fact, let's change them. You go here. You come here. Rearrange them like this. Just like so. No big deal. You go up on there. Put these bad boys rock and roll for a little bit more. Then we'll put the cheese. It's cloudy out today. Take a look. It's all cloudy. Southern pines. Live oaks dropping crap. Still dropping acorns. The crap van. My sad Harley. All that good stuff. She brought a plant back. Look at this thing. It looks happier now than it did when it got here. Pretty cool. I say that's a pretty cool thing. One of these fell off the house from right there. See there? To there. It ended up down there. It looked like that. Hey, there's Buck. That's my sago palm that I planted when it was just a baby. Look how big it's getting. Oh shit! Fire! Fire! We have fire, folks. Okay, now let's flip. This one's definitely ready to flip. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. I'm gonna flip this one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. We're gonna give them the. Just give them the Larrys again. Larrys. Sprinkle them down again. A good little sprinkle of Larrys on this side. Just like that. Larrys. We're winding down, folks. We're getting there. Fuck yeah. Fire. I'm not worried about the fire at the moment. Just get these a couple more seconds on this side. We're going to throw the cheese. Like cheddar there. Cheddar there. And the two Swiss. Swiss here. Swiss here. For a couple of seconds. Let them get all hot and gooey. Then they're coming off. Then we go build. Yes, we go build. In fact, I wonder if I can fit these cheese things in my pocket for easier lugging shit in. I think I can. I think I can. I might be able to if I can get around the Larrys. There we go. Get around the Larrys, man. Those are good. Off they come. Cheddar. Cheddar. And a couple of Swiss. Look at that. Uh-oh. No room. There we go. Close the lid. Look at this here. Come here and look at this. Look at. That's a spatula. Look at this. There you go. There is your beginnings. Now, I have to try to do this. Hot spatula. Hold you guys. Open the door. Oh, I think I can do this pretty good. Beer under this arm. Sago palm. Grab you guys. Run inside and beg for mercy that something shuts this door.
I got it.
There's the Whiffy. She's got it. Walking through the house. Hands full of stuff. We can do this, people. Back to the kitchen. Yes. Back to the kitchen. And you can put you back here. Looking at the Christmas house. The spatula we don't really need anymore. Then these can go back in the fridge. The chasse, as they call it, the fancy people. God damn it, get in the fridge. There we go. Now, here's how we do this. I get me one of these. Yoink. I grab one of my homemade hamburger buns. Look at that. I learned how to make hamburger buns that work finally. I'm only going to make me one, but that's all you need to know. Ha ha. So up they go. This goes back over here. Oi, oi, oi. I need a sip. I need a sip. You take a sip with me. Ready? Here, I'll hold it up for you. Open your mouth. Open wide. Here comes the foam. Alright. What we're going to do. Let me get where you can see. And I'll even zoom in a bit. There we go. That'll work. Now, for making one of these, no toasted bun. Nope, not on this one. You got this. Not that. You take your Swiss cheese piece of burger. Right, yeah. Slather that up on there. sling a little extra on here, just because, just like that. Now, you've got your reduced mushroom sauce. See how that got a little bit thicker? Stir that around a little bit. Still nice and warm. This is difficult. Smother. Right to hell on top. Smother. Just like so. Put that back over here. Top bun. Slather. There you have it, folks. Ta-da! A Hardees mushroom and Swiss burger. Compliments of Hands On with BLG. You're welcome. You're welcome. You, back there, sitting over there in that chair, and that one over there on the couch, and you standing up. You are all welcome. That's it for this episode, folks. Hit the little likey buttons. You know how to do it. Click, 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 click. Just keep doing it. Hit that fucker like that. And if you want to, subscribe. But mostly hit the like buttons. Watch the episodes. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Hands On with BLG. We'll see you guys next time. Right here. For the next exciting episode. Hands On with BLG. For BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I'm Righty. See you guys back here next episode. Goodbye, folks. Zoom in. Zoom in, eh? Look at there. Dun 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 ding ding. Ding 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 ding. And then you zoom out to Happy House Burger Land. Ding 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 ding. Dun dun dun. Ding ding ding. Dun dun dun. Ding ding dun dun dun. Yes. See you guys next time. Goodbye.